Still doing good on water. Food. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello. I'm not giving them any of the alfalfa Timothy pellets this morning because I just moved them on this fresh paddock yesterday and they've been chowing down on all kinds of fresh forage, huh? Good morning. How are y'all doing? Morning to you. This little white chicken will not sleep with the chickens. She always goes to sleep with the pigs. Hello. Good morning. All right, they are eating, but I see one over there is not coming, so I'm gonna go check on her. Her little feet are cold, but